How to add Solana to Metamask. So if you want to add Solana to Metamask, then what you need to do is first you need to go for the browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'll be here with Chrome browser. You need to search for wrapped Solana. Hit the enter and here you will have wrapped Solana price SOL. Click on that search and here on the left you will have a bunch of options. Go for the contracts and go for more and simply select a contract. You can copy the contract and once you've copied, go for the new tab and you can open up your MetaMask. And once you're on the MetaMask, go for the network which is here on the upper left. Click on that and then you need to choose a network which will be BNB Smart Chain. So if you have that BNB Smart Chain, you need to simply choose that network. And once you choose that network, you need to simply go for receive tokens. And once you choose the network, you need to go for import tokens, which is here. And then you need to go for custom token. Once you've entered the custom token or selected that, here you need to enter the contract address. So simply paste that thing which you have just copied. And once you've copied, if you have the valid contract address, then click on next and your contract address will be added. And if you have the valid Solana address, you need to enter that and then click on next. And once you click on next, your token will be added. So that's how you can add Solana to MetaMask. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.